that you want. Okay, where are we going? First, we're gonna go to the building in Madhapur. We're gonna fall off the side of it as an illusion. Right, so as you guys can see inside, Mac and Tyler are set up as fake cameramen. They're going.
I haven't got Godzilla in this movie because Godzilla's been the monster. He's been the anti-hero. This is Godzilla is the problem.
கால் பண்ணி என்கிட்ட ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்னா என்ன அதை பற்றின எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் கொடுங்க. சோஷியல் மீடியாஸில் என்னோட இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ஃபேஸ்புக் பேஜஸ்லையுமே நிறைய பேர் கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. Are you suffering by the white patch skin on your body? This is called as vitiligo camouflage white patches. Hey, on a daily basis, we are spending a lot more times on the reels and the videos, scrolling ups and downs, comedies, fun, kitchen, cooking, channel, all those stuffs. But we forget to create a major awareness most people suffering from, that is this one. Yes. As I'm a profession, I would like to highlight this part and I would like to create awareness regarding this. So this video is going to be about this. So do watch this video completely and share it to the people who is there in this need and create awareness as much as possible. Do like this kind of a content video so that it will reach more people who are required this. We are making a lot of our efforts to create videos like this to create awareness. Please do help us to reach to the many people and let them get benefited. So the first most important question is, where are you located? Yeah, we have a branches almost all over India, but we do this vitiligo MPT treatment only in our Bangalore branch, not on any other branch currently, because I'm the one and only licensed person who do this. So that's the only branch we do, and I'll attach our location extension in the description. I hope it's clear, correct? So the second most important question is, can you show us the healed result? Yeah, definitely. Many of them ask these questions, can you show us the healed result? If you are a person not yet follow our Instagram page, please do follow our Instagram page. We frequently update all our vitiligo results in there, and definitely I will place it here too. Editor, please post our healed results. I hope you guys have a much more better idea by seeing these pictures and the videos, correct? So the next most important question is, can you upload some of the vitiligo client review? Yes. Why not? Definitely. Editor, again, start play it.
Hi, I am at Machu Tattoos to get my white patches to be, the color tone to be skin color, and Mr. Suresh has done initial test patch. The color matches, the skin can take up the color and all. He has done this wonderful job to test it up. Things will go or wrong, he tested up.
I would like to talk about this client. We did a patch test for him and it's got success. He came from Hyderabad to Bangalore and we did a full treatment on his body and it's going quite well. And he got much more happy. So that's what the review is about. I hope it's clear for you guys. So the next important question is, Is it permanent? Yeah. Many of the times people do ask this treatment is permanent or not. If you would have guys following us from long times, you would have know the answer for it. And we would recommend you to do the patch test first. If the patch test got succeeded, then it is a permanent treatment. Then you can do it on your whole body. It will stay permanently. Maybe down the line after 6 years or 7 years, if you feel that it's looking dull, you can do the retouch up. There is no harm in it, but it is permanent if it is accepted by your skin. So the next, is there any side effects? As you all know, this MPT treatment is one of the most efficient and successful treatment for the vitiligo, and it has a zero side effects. You heard me completely right. When you do laser treatment or UV therapy or skin crafting, whatever it might be, you call the surgery, everything, it has a very bad side effects. This is the only treatment which have a zero side effects. If your skin accepts, you will get output. If your skin don't accept, you will get your white color skin back. As simple as it is. I hope it's very clear. So another important question is, how much does it cost? Yes, guys, as you all know, vitiligo varies from a person to person, the placement in the body and how much it's got spreaded, as well as what kind of vitiligo it is. Is it a partial vitiligo, or it's a spatical vitiligo, or it's a liquid or formal vitiligo? So it's completely varies. So as a person can't able to describe this calmly, we provide a free consultation. You can ping them in a WhatsApp or you can call them. They will help you out with your pricing, exact pricing. You will get a much more better idea. Another important question is how to book an appointment. That's a much more important question, and I would answer for that because we are getting a clients from all over the world, from different countries, different states. So we would highly recommend you to book an appointment before you walk down, because when you book an appointment, accordingly they will allocate your slots. You no need to wait for so much. There is a lot of times if the appointment is there for 2 days, you need to wait for 2 days if you are coming from other place. So it's a waste of charges for you to stay in the hotel or something like that, correct? So I would highly recommend you to book an appointment before you visit. Accordingly, you book your flight tickets and your travel tickets, everything, accommodation, everything, so that you can have a personalized and a peaceful experience here. Next important question is, can you treat a lip vitiligo? Yes, definitely we treat a lip vitiligo. We are having one of the 80% success rate for the lip vitiligo, and it gives you the much more better output. And even with lip vitiligo is also a permanent. In down the line, if you feel like to do the retouch up, you can go ahead and proceed it. But yes, MPT treatment works in lip vitiligo also. Next, yes. Do I need to take any medicines in this treatment? I would frankly say it's a zero medicine treatment. Yes, you heard me completely right. There is no medicines you need to take. We'll provide you the ointment which you should apply on the place where we did the vitiligo for another 1 month. That's it. If the output comes, perfect. Proceed it. There is no oral medicines, nothing we are recommending, but your doctor is recommending, or your Ayurvedic, whatever the treatment which you are going on through. If they are recommending you to take something, you can take it. We don't judge in that. Yes, I hope I have answered most of this FAQ questions, correct? If you have any more questions, please do comment below, and I'm happy to answer in the future sessions. We'll keep continue this question and answer sessions without any breaks, as well as I'm happy to answer in the comment sessions. If you have any urgency, do call us. I'll be displaying our contact number. Our team will happily help you out all your questions. I'm signing off, Suresh Machu.